I'm going to show you how to set up external transfers with your SOCU account. While logged into online banking, click on Transfers. Select Add Account. Then select Add an Account manually under External Account. You will need to confirm your identity by text, email, or by a phone call. Follow the prompts to provide verification. Choose the account type for your external account and enter the routing number, account number, and give the account a nickname. Next, you will receive 2 deposit transactions in the external account. This may take up to 3 business days. Once the deposits appear, log on to SOCU Online Banking and select Alerts. Select Confirm Trial Deposits and then Confirm next to External Account. Enter the 2 deposit amounts and click Confirm. You won't have to go through this process again to make transfers with your external account. Now that your account is linked, you can easily make transfers. Select Transfers in the bottom menu and then go to Make a Transfer. Select your transfer options, including the amount to transfer, and then click Submit Transfer.